It's really an opportunity to work directly on case files instead of studying theoretical law, which you might do in a regular law class. You're able to get hands-on experience in a practical learning environment. My name is Kathleen. I'm a 2L at the University of Alberta Faculty of Law.
Experiential learning really is taking what you've learned in the classroom and applying it in the real world. My name is Faith Majekolagbe. I'm a professor here at the Faculty of Law.
The Entrepreneurial Law Clinic is an experiential learning opportunity. The clinic allows students to engage with entrepreneurs, startup business founders, and it's really an opportunity to work directly on case files instead of studying theoretical law, which you might do in a regular law class.
There is a kind of satisfaction that comes to students and even to me to see that people in our community who have these really grand ideas could come to a place like the Entrepreneurial Law Clinic, and the students can work with them under the mentorship of legal practitioners and provide that quality legal support for those people.
Interacting with the advising lawyers has allowed me to gain a new perspective on how to interact with clients. I'm able to take these complex legal ideas and see how they fit into the legal work that I'll be doing in the future.
When we started the Entrepreneurial Law Clinic as a course, that was started by a group of students in the faculty who wanted to see experiential learning. So when I came in, what I did was to just bring in students to do that entrepreneurial law work in that particular space, and also supervise students' work throughout the year and make sure that came to life. I would encourage prospective students to choose the Faculty of Law here at the University of Alberta. You would have a broad range of experience here at the Faculty of Law that would prepare you for the legal career that you really want to have.